Hello, my name is Stephen Thomas, and welcome to my short. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at the differences between using a large language model like ChatGPT versus using a reasoning model like the new DeepSeek R1 model. To do this, I'm going to use Azure AI because I can host my models there. Here's the main Azure AI landing page, and I already have created these models inside of Azure AI Foundry. I'm not going to go into this in much detail. I'll have more videos on that soon. Here I'm going to jump into my project and going to go under Model Catalogs. And here you'll be able to see the models that I've already created and I have deployed. If you wanted to deploy a new model, you simply go to Deploy Model. There's over 1,800 different models that you can pick from to deploy and run right here inside of Azure Foundry. You would run these models I've already created or any new ones by using the playground. It's over here on the left. Click here on the playground. And here I'm going to jump into the chat playground. And for this example, I'm going to start off by using ChatGPT4. And I know here that I'm using ChatGPT4. If I go under Show Setup, you can see here I have that model selected. I can select any of my deployed models here to use for this test. In this case, we'll use ChatGPT4. I'm not going to set up any other parameters. Normally, I would adjust my input prompt given the data I'm going to pass in. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it as is. And I'm going to ask it, what is the square root of 49? And let's see what it has to say. And it came back really quick and says square root of 49 is 7. Now let's change this over to the DeepSeek model and let's try that same example again. Again, I'm not changing any of these parameters. I am going to come up here and set my max tokens to 4096. I found that that just works better. And here I'm going to say, what is the square root of 49? And let's go ahead and run this and see what we see. Now this is a reasoning model, so it's going to act a little bit differently than what we saw with ChatGPT4. This is going to go about reasoning how about to get the square root of 49. And we'll see here in just a moment that the output is going to look drastically different. Now this did take it a few moments to come back, but let's scroll down and see what we have here. And you can see that this was a very different response that we received from the reasoning model. It went through and, of course, explained the whole reason of how it came by the answer of 7. Now, this was just intended to give you a quick comparison between ChatGPT4, which is a traditional LLM model, more focused on chat-based interaction, as compared to DeepSeek R1, which is a reasoning model, which is much more focused at more complex reasoning tasks. So this is an example here of the kind of output you would expect from a reasoning model. Thank you, and if you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.